Chào các bạn, mình là Gia Hân, hiện đang là host tại Chatterbox, hoạt động speaking sau giờ học dành riêng cho học viên tại KTDC. Hôm nay mình sẽ có một buổi workshop về critical thinking, kỹ năng tư duy phản biện, cùng xem các học viên tại KTDC xử lý như thế nào với các câu hỏi và chủ đề bên này nha. So let's move on to the second team. There are Duy Khánh, Thế Phong. So Thế Phong, can you help me with the disagree side? Like, how would you answer this question if you disagree?
So I would say that, I don't think parents should give a lecture on children about money on the early age. Given the fact that most of the children, they do not have they don't have enough cognitive ability to really absorb the knowledge about finance. So maybe they will start to be distracted. They start to diffuse in the later period of time in during a lecture. So I think that their brain, they don't develop completely. So some of them might not be able to understand what actually the value of the money. So maybe the kids, the amount of kids can absorb the knowledge about finance will be limited. So I don't think parents should teach the children as soon as possible.
Yeah. And do you think that learning about money when they're young can affect their personality?
I would say it also depends on their awareness and their cognitive ability. So maybe some kids, they are more like an adult than other kids. They understand things earlier and more clearer than other normal kids. It doesn't affect much. It also improves their personality traits.
Yeah. So I totally agree with you. Like for this one, you can say that, many children, when they learn about money when they're young, they can turn out to be they calculate too much when they interact with other people. It can be a bad thing. It can be a good thing. But overall, it can have some impacts on the children. So yeah, thank you, Thế Phong. Very good answer.